Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out Fuumuui Synthetic Squirrel Brushes set of 8 watercolor brushes. Also, I will be doing comparison with some watercolor brushes that are used for watercolor painting. So let's find out how good these brushes are. This set contains 8 artist quality watercolor brushes, include 2 flat, 5 round and 1 carton oval wash. Before we start the review of these brushes, let me first introduce this brush brand. Fuumuui Art is professional manufacturer of brushes, pigment and digital painting products. With complete testing equipment and strong technical force, they have more than 30 years of original equipment manufacture and original design manufacture experience. Their products are widely used in European and United States and other countries with a wide variety of products, high quality, reasonable price, and fashionable design. Of course, their brand has been recognized and trusted by customers all over the world. They sell high-quality synthetic and nature hair brushes for watercolor, acrylic, oil, and travel set brushes over the world. These brushes come in pretty beautiful, sturdy cardboard packaging. As you can see, the brushes come in nicely packaged in a box with some plastic wrappers around them. They sent me Fuumuui set of 8 synthetic squirrel brushes with pointed round, flat and carton oval wash for review. This set of 8 brushes retail at $21.99. The round brushes also have the plastic cap to protect the tip. These brushes are light in weight, which make it easy and comfortable to hold while painting. Durable brush wooden handle. These brushes handle are polished brush wooden handle with big belly heel, easier control of precision when you are working on detail. Rust-free copper ferrule. This rust-free and nickel-plated copper double cream, making the ferrule more durable. Synthetic squirrel hair. These brushes are made from synthetic fiber. The brushes have a plumb belly and sharp tip will help you to deliver on the paper in smooth, consistent stroke. Hair is extremely soft but perfect spring back and able to hold its shape. I have transferred each brushes in clean water because the gum used during packing needs to be removed. I am going to start with small round brush which is size 0. Fine tip allow you to draw thin lines. This brush can be used to make small hair, oil details and any miniature details. These round brushes bend nicely. Besides, at the same time, we can make very fine thin lines. Size for a brush work pretty similar to a size 8 brush. Also, both hold lot of water and pigment. This brush has fine long pointed tip and big fat belly, which is a great option for watercolor landscape painting as well as portrait painting, still life and flower painting. I just noticed that this brush shows lot of water, which is great and which is suitable for watercolor large wash. I think think these all-round brushes will be great brushes for watercolor illustration, pattern, brush calligraphy, and for small details. This cat tongue brush, also known as oval wash and versatile brush. The tip is a bit flat when you try to make a stroke with it on the board side. It starts a bit big and flat, but then you can get some interesting thickness when you push on the brush, and then it goes back to a thinner stroke, but not as thin as you would get with like pointed round brush because of the sort of clear tip. This cat tongue brush can be used to make leaves, flowers, rose, and landscape painting. This set includes two flat brushes. This brush is able to release water very consistently, which makes it easy to do flat wash. Both flat brushes make perfect thick line as well as make thin line when you gently drag the brush point. These two flat brushes are perfect for painting large area and to do flat washes. With the tip of the brush, you can paint liner, pattern, and geometric shape because of the flat tip. I think this would be a great set for both beginner and professional artists. Now I am going to do comparison between Fuumuui brushes with Raphael Soft Aqua Kazan Synthetic Squirrel Hair Pointed Quill Mop Brush. This Raphael mop brush which I am using almost for 2-3 years. Using Raphael Soft Aqua Kazan Synthetic Squirrel Hair Pointed Quill Mop Brush size 4 and Fuumuui Synthetic Squirrel Hair Brush size 8. The main characteristic of squirrel hair brushes is their ability to hold a lot of water, and because of that they are more commonly used as wash brushes, so they are good for painting large areas. They are also known as mop brushes. Both are different because of the ferrule here. It's larger on the Fuumuui Squirrel round brush and here it's smaller on Raphael's Soft Aqua mop brush. And this is the rather common way for squirrel hair brushes to be tied together. They have this piece of plastic that are round and then they tie it up either with metal or with strings. Alright, let's test this Raphael Soft Aqua Kazan Synthetic Squirrel Hair Mop Brush. The squirrel hair brushes hold lot of water, so let me show you how much area I can cover with this brush. This brush is fantastic and excellent at covering larger area. Although the size of this brush is 4, which is a bit small, but the water releasing quality is quite consistent, so I can get a flat wash very easily on this textured surface paper. Also, this brush creates thin lines. Let's move on to using Fuumuui Squirrel Hair Round Brush size 8. This round brush, I think, because of its size, do not make flat wash like Raphael mop brush, but we are seeing it's possible to make very thin lines than Raphael mop brush. The main reason is that both brushes have different quality of water release. Raphael brush hair are so soft and hold lot of water, and that's why it's better to get very thin lines. While Fuumuui brush work like staple brush, which is hold lot of water and make very fine thin lines. I am using Fuumuui size Raphael, which is about the same size as the Raphael soft aqua brush and the water carrying capacity. The synthetic brush it matches, and this is quite impressive. I'm quite impressed and surprised with this result that Fuumuui Brush side 12 works similar to Raphael Soft Aqua Synthetic Squirrel Hair Mop Brush compared to Fuumuui Brush size 8. This Fuumuui Round Brush side 12 work better. If I compare Raphael brush with Fuumuui Round Brush size 12, then I don't see any significant difference here. Overall performance of these three brushes, they are all quite good. As a watercolor artist, I use lot of different type of synthetic watercolor brushes, and I wanted to feature this product because I think it's great that this product is available. It's made of synthetic hair and they are affordable. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.